Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I have a new product to review with you. So the product we're going to be reviewing is called Smile Bright Teeth Whitening Kit. I've been seeing a lot of people reviewing this online and I want to check it out for myself, so let's dive in. So it comes in a cute package like this, and it also comes with a LED, a mouth tray, and whitening gels, and a user manual. So let's dive in. So it actually displays itself very cutely. It shows the different levels of whitening and the different shades. So I'm gonna see what shade I am. So let's see. Okay, so I'm between an 8 and a 9, as you can see. So I'm gonna try that. And what does it say? So the manual says brush teeth with fluoride toothpaste. Apply half a gel tray and place on teeth. Turn on device. Let the light turn on after 10 minutes. Rinse your mouth and mouth guard with water. Use daily for best results and a brighter smile. Avoid smoking and limit intake of dark colored drinks. I just had a coffee, so we're really gonna see if this works. And yeah, that's pretty much it, so let's try the product. So it comes with 3 gel whitening little capsule things. So this is a little cute Smile Bright tray, little light. And also here is the mouth guard. So I'm gonna just put this boy on like this. Okay. And this product was $20, believe it or not. So, and it actually shipped very quickly. It took about, I want to say about a week to actually get to me, so that's not too bad. I'm not understanding why this is not turning on. Okay, there is a battery in here. Let's see why this boy is not working for some reason. Okay, I found the problem. There was actually this little slit, so if you do get the packaging, make sure to take out the batteries, and this little slip is in between 2 of the batteries that come with it. So that would explain why it was not working, which is understandable because I don't want my batteries being trying to communicate with me. Okay, that's a good sign. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so and then it also has an open and lock. So I'm just gonna try to get this baby back. So I locked it, and there you go. So that's what the light looks like. Let's dive in. So it says in the manual, again, I'm gonna read this over so I don't mess up on this, because it did not say in the directions that there was going to be a film in between the batteries, so I'm gonna double check this. So it says apply half a gel tray and then place on the teeth and then leave on for 10 minutes. So here it goes. I'm just going to twist this baby off. I'm going to apply it into the tray. Okay, that's about half. To place this back on so it stays fresh. Put the baby in here. And let's begin. So I'm going to put out the other half on the bottom as it is actually directed. So it's actually, you're going to be using one full syringe. So I'm going to apply it underneath here. There you go. And let's begin. And this goes on for 10 minutes. So I'm going to put on a timer and I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes and the Smile Bright device actually has beep, so that indicates that my time is up for doing that. So I'm going to go rinse out my mouth and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and after just rinsing my mouth and after using this and washing the guard as it says in the directions, I'm going to see if I see any left of stains. And before I started I was level 9. And let me see now. Okay, so it's lifted actually 2 levels. Now I'm a level 7. So I would actually say this product does work. You do have to use it more than once. So I am glad that it comes with a couple more syringes. And yeah, I'll definitely be using this product again, definitely. Where I want to achieve and where I want to go is between a level 5 and a level 4. So I'm not too far off, and I can definitely see if I used some more applications that, yeah, this is definitely achievable without going to a dentist. So if you want to lighten your teeth or whiten them, I would definitely recommend this product. It's cheap, affordable, and it's quick, and you can do it in the convenience of your own home. So Smile Bright is J approved. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch any of my new videos, click the like button, also the bell below, so you'll be informed on any of my new videos. Thank you, and until next time. Bye.